Today topic is importance of plants. Why plant important for us? Now in this chapter we are going to learn people who grow crops for us. Now wild and domestic plants and taking care of plant and conservation of trees. Student, first, people who grow crops. People who grow crops for us are farmers. Farmers grow crop for us in their field. Most of food we eat which comes from plants and animal. These are a number of people who help so that food items reach our place. So many people's hard work is included in food processing. Okay, so main occupation in our country is farming. Farming is the main occupation of our country. Most of the villagers working in their field as a farmer. So student, farmer grow crop for us in their field. Farmers cereals, pulses, oilseeds, spices, fruits and vegetable. All types of vegetable and cereals and fruits grow farmers for grow crop for us. What is the process for farming? Which is used by farmers. So student, first farmer plugs their field to plant seeds. Plugging is done by bullock cart in traditionally means, and some people use modern means for plugging like tractor. So modern plugging method is done by tractors. In large field, farmers use these types of modern instrument, tractor, threshing machine, etc. Okay, so you can see bullock cart in this picture. You can see how to farmer plug their field with the uses of tractor. So this is, you can see in this. Now after planting the tree, after planting the seeds, which step is taken by farmers? So irrigation is most important for fields. Rain is the most important for crops, and this is a natural source of irrigation. Crops, but after end of monsoon, how farmers irrigate their field? They use so many techniques for irrigation purpose. They use tube well, you can see in this picture. They use canal, you can see in this picture. Use pesticides. Farmer use pesticides so that insects do not damage the crop. After about 6 months, when the crop is ripe, it is harvested. If the field is big, the farmer is not able to harvest the entire crop alone. He takes the help of other people. Harvesting is done manually or by machine. The harvested crop is sent to the wholesale market in the village, which is also called the mandi. Wholesale market is place where goods are bought and sold in large quantities. At the mandi, wholesale traders from the city buy the goods in bulk and take the goods to the wholesale market in the city. The shopkeepers buy these food items and sell them in their shops. Many of plants grow all around us. Domestic and wild plants grows in our homes, gardens, and flowering plants like marigold Rose, Dahlia, Bougainvillea are domestic plant. But vegetable like carrot, radish, and ladyfinger, bottle gourds, bitter gourds are grown in kitchen garden. है ना? Fruit like guava, mango, lemon, papaya, banana also grown in kitchen garden. Some wild plants also grown around our houses and countryside. है ना? Congress grass, weeds, etc. are known as wild plants. These are known as wild plant. So these plants harm the soil. These types of wild plant harm the soil, harmful for the soil. So student, we have need to throw out them from the soil. So student, here is domestic and wild plants. Domestic, which is we use at our home, and some grasses which we not use at our home. So these are wild. Okay, now wild grasses always harmful for a crop and for the soil. People who look after trees. People who look after trees in town and city. The local government look after park and roadside of plants. You always see at conservation of plants. Student, plants are friends of human being and animals, because so many things, all things provided by plants to us. So plants and trees are the friends of human being. We should try to conserve trees. Nowadays human being cutting down trees for their needs, like building, for building, making building, houses, factories, road, etc. And it is very harmful for environment. Cutting down of tree in large quantity is known as deforestation. Cutting down of tree in large quantity is known as deforestation. It is very harmful. It causes soil erosion, loss of habitat for animals, and decrease rainfall. Nowadays, if you if you're watching TV, you can see in California, America, it's where is fire spread all over in California's forest, and it's also very dangerous for, it is really very dangerous for our atmosphere. So forest, we have to need of conservation of forest. So conserve forest, we should always plant trees. Some movements are also taken by people for save trees, like Chipko movement. Chipko movement in Uttaranchal and in Rajasthan, where people hugging tree to save trees from cutting. This people of Khejdi village say plant and trees are our friend, and we have to need to conserve them. Without plant, we cannot survive on the earth. So plants are friends of human being and also animals. So student, conservation of forest is very important. Planting more and more tree for conserve forest. Okay student, today we have learned chapter importance of plant. In this chapter, we have learned about people who grow crops, farmers, wild and domestic plants, taking care of plants, how to take care plants in cities and villages, roadsides of plants. Okay, now conservation of tree, why we have to conserve tree. So today our chapter is complete. Have a nice day.